Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet train applique. In this applique I am using 6 to 7 color of cotton thread and 2 mm crochet hook and 1 craft scissor and craft needle also. And let us start how to make this cute crochet applique. We can use this applique in a baby blanket or baby project. Let us start how to make this cute applique. Hello friends, I am using this type of cotton yarn. This is a 100% cotton yarn and I am using 6 colors of cotton yarn. Let us start. I am taking red color thread for this engine. I start from slip knot. And make 17 chains. And one more 17 foundation chains, and then I am going to the second chain from my hook and make one single crochet. Make one single crochet in each stitch across this round. And complete this round with single crochet stitch. I have completed my first round. For next round, make 2 chain. Counter chain first half DC stitch and turn it, and then I am going to the next stitch, second stitch, and make one half DC stitch and make one half DC stitch in the every stitch in this round, and you repeat the half DC stitch round in the next 2 to 3 lines. Hello friends, I have made 1 2 3 4 lines of the half DC stitch, and then for next round make 2 chain, counter chain first half DC and make 10 half DC in the next 10 stitches. You skip the 3 to 5 stitches and then make 2 chain, counterchain first half DC stitch, and make 1 half DC stitch in the every stitch. One more guys. And then you cut the yarn and attach the yellow color yarn for next round. Go to the next round. This is a top part of this engine. Make 2 chain, counterchain first half DC and make 1 half DC in each stitch. Then 1 chain, turn it and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. And cut the extra yarn. For chimney, you take your red color yarn and go to the corner space or corner stitch and join it with slip stitch, and then you skip the next 2 stitches and go to the 3rd stitch and make 4 double crochet, and then you skip the next stitch, go to the next and make 1 slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. And now I am making the wheel of this engine. So you take your next color yarn. I am using the light ash color, and make 1 2 4 chain, and go to the 4th chain and make double crochet. Make total 12 double crochet in the same stitch. Here I am making two sides of wheel. In engine I am using little bit big size and this one small. So here I am using DC stitch, DC stitch for engine, and for here I am using 10 DC stitch. And then you join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain, and your wheel is ready, and you attach it with your craft needle, and then you embroidery with black color yarn. And this is a wheel of this engine, and you make total 2 big size and 4 little bit small size wheel. And for this bogie I am using the another color yarn, and go to the slip stitch, make 10 chains, foundation chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. One more chain, count as a first single crochet, and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across this round. Then make 2 chain, count as a first half DC stitch, and make 1 half DC stitch in every stitch the next round. And you repeat the same half DC stitch in the next 3 round, and last round you cut your yarn and attach the yellow or another color yarn as per your choice, and make the top side of the with the half DC stitch, and the same I am repeat the same pattern, same stitch in the another bogie, and here I have attached together with the simple chain stitch, and your crochet train applique will be ready, and you can try it, and please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.